Welcome to Japan Language Factory Membership Program. Today is ひらがな5。今日はひらがな5です。So, 皆さん元気ですか？ How are you? So, how's going with your ひらがな? Every day 3 ひらがな。Just 10 minutes. Just 20 minutes. Focus. 3 years. You can speak. You can understand everything from the book. So, 3 years, let's focus. 頑張りましょう。So today is 何ぬねの Okay? 何ぬねの何ぬねの So you already know absolutely this 何 Otaku, foreign otaku person said Always 何 What? What? But okay, only this you can't make conversation So let's learn more So, な1,2,3,4 1,2,3,4 Let's write it one more time because it's a little bit difficult. Okay. 2 So, な 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 Okay. ぬ 1 2 1 2 It's a little bit difficult. One more time. 1 2 Okay. ぬね1 2 1 2ねねの1 Okay, so 何々の is a little bit difficult, so let's do one more time. If you feel a little bit difficult, just you need to repeat a little bit more than usual, okay? Nothing else. You just need to repeat many times. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4な OK 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3ぬ1 2 1 2 1 2ね1 2 1 2 1 2ねねの1 1 1何ぬねの何ぬねの Okay? So, 何 is what? But it's quite casual. It's, I think, any language, if you say in English, what? It's not polite. So, you don't use for the stranger. If you want to say politely, oh, what is that? 何ですか何ですか何ですか何ですか What? It's a little bit more polite. 何 What? Okay, be careful. 肉 meat に and we learned already かきくけこく肉 meat あ、肉大好きなんです I love meat 大好き I love so 肉大好きなんです肉大好きなんです I love meat 魚 fish あ魚はちょっと嫌いなんです。あんまり好きじゃないんです。I don't like fish so much. Actually, I love fish so much, but 魚あんまり好きじゃないんです。魚あんまり好きじゃないんです。I don't like 魚 so much. So all these phrases we will practice in the speaking class. So now let's focus ひらがな。魚、肉、何、猫。猫 cat あ、猫かわいい It's so cute 猫かわいい。猫かわいい。かわいい cute。猫かわいい。So, how was it? 何ぬねの Writing 何ぬねの is a little bit difficult. 何ぬねの So, let's practice more than the usual. Okay? 頑張りましょう。Let's study 3ひらがな every day. 頑張りましょう。